today, so thank you for joining me. I have today the Marks and Spencer's the Summer Beauty Bag. Now, I saw Emma, is it Emma Latham, unboxing this on her channel the other day there, and I checked on the website and it was still in touch. This is always really good value. You need to order or spend £30 online or in store, and then this bag becomes available for £20. So it genuinely does have £140 worth of products in it that you get for £20, and you also get a little bag kind of thrown in for free. So I'm just going to go through the items and show you what's in this. When I saw it on her channel, I've had one of these before. My friend bought me it last year, and I did actually contact my friend to say, look, you know, it's in stock, do you want me to pick one up? And she said it was absolutely fine, she had enough. I think a lot of us on here don't know what enough is. I was having a chat with some of my friends, and we were saying, you know, even though we've probably got more than enough of everything, it's just that thrill sometimes, isn't it, of getting something new or trying some new products. So the main item that attracted me to this is the Origins Ginseng, and it's the eye cream. Now, I bought this for my friend in a set. It's a refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff. This on its own is worth £22. So one item pays for the bag. Which I just think is fantastic. And Origins, I can't get into boxes without breaking them. I don't know what it is. And Origins is just a fantastic brand. So of course I'm doing my product inventory, so this will go in the box that I've set to the side for items that I will use once I've run out of eye creams that can go into my stash. But yeah, £22. And you're getting everything else essentially for free. You know, because it was only £20. My husband said it doesn't work like that, it still costs £20. I said, but I would have bought that eye cream for £22, and I wouldn't have got all these lovely little bits. So it's got 5 full-size items as well, and I'm going to pull out one of the next full-size items, and this is the Aveda Botanical Repairs Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. And this is for 100 mils. This is £28. So this is another full-size item, which I thought was fantastic, and I really love the Aveda brand. I think I got some in Latest in Beauty, the leave-in. It was a leave-in treatment kind of similar to this, I think. So you put it on after you had washed your hair. So yeah, I really liked that. So I was pleased when I saw that in the bag. Everything else just now feels like a bonus, doesn't it? Well, for me it does anyway. So there's an item here that's wrapped up. Oh yeah. Oh, it is Nuxe. It's Nuxe oil, and I absolutely love the Nuxe oil. But this has, it's a dry oil for hair, face or body, but it's kind of shimmery. So it would be lovely in the summer if you get a little bit of tan on your shoulders. I'm just going to pop a little bit here. So it comes out. You see it there, and you rub it in. It just gives your skin, you can't actually see any of the sparkles, but it just gives your skin a lovely shine. But if you were up close to me, you could see some of the sparkles. I would not put this on during the day, especially if it was sunny, just in case it burnt you. But yep, I absolutely love Nuxe oil, so I will be using that in the summer. Well, it's the summer now, isn't it? If I ever get a tan and I'm never going anywhere, that might be summer 2025. Who knows? I'm not actually too keen at the moment to be leaving the house. I'm quite happy to kind of just stay in the house, work away, and kind of just get on with things. I've not been to the pub yet. I've been for lunch with my son, and I've been out to the big shopping centre near us, but we went through the week, so it was quieter. But I haven't gone out to meet anybody yet. So yeah, I'm still very much kind of treating it as if everything is still, you know, the way it was for a wee bit. And I'm quite happy to do that. So anyway, next thing I have here is the Wow, Colour Wow, and it's Raise the Root, Thicken and Lift Spray, and it says a cure for flat hair, adds height and volume without dulling colour. Now, I currently don't have any colour in my hair, and I don't need any lift, so I would probably pass that on to my mum or my sister, who've got incredibly kind of fine straight hair. I've obviously got my dad's hair. Not obviously, how would you know that unless you knew my dad? Don't know what's going wrong with me today. It's been a long day. It really has been a long day. And I thought after work I thought I could go out and sit in the sun, but the wind's kicked up, so it's still sunny, but it's windy. I'm not complaining, it's not raining. We had like 3 weeks of solid rain. Now this is a brand I've never heard of. It's Formula, I think, or Glow, I don't know. And it says your Time to Glow Rapid Morning Mask. So quick fix for dull skin with vitamin C, instantly brighter and more vibrant skin, time to glow. There you go. You can see why I'm not sure if it's Glow or Formula or bizarre that that word. It's not bizarre, but this is cruelty free as well. Yep, quick morning mask to wash away dull skin, independently tested. Healthier skin, more radiant even, skin appears refreshed, cleaner and smoother, pores appear reduced, complexion looks fresher and more vibrant. So, I might give that a bash. I'm currently actually using a mask. It's a morning mask. You put it on, brush your teeth, whatever, and then wash it off, and it kind of makes your face feel a wee bit tingly. Yeah, it's quite nice. Can't remember who it's by though. It's by one of the big mask companies. Yeah, it's not going to come to me. It's like Glam Glow or something like that. So this is a L'Occitane shower oil. I had a little sample of this and it was absolutely gorgeous. So it's the almonds, and the shower oil is really nice. Although I think I rubbed it here and I was kind of like, oh, it just didn't seem to be rubbing anywhere when I tried it. But it was really nice. I'm sure because I've got more of it, I will be better. Just ignore me. I don't actually know how to use shower gel today. But what I meant is when I put it on, it kind of stayed in place. But that was maybe, so there you go. It's got a fantastic, lovely almondy smell. So there we go. So you can rub it in so far, but it just didn't feel like shower. I know it's shower oil, but it just didn't feel right. But now there's more, maybe it'll be a wee bit easier. Have you tried this? How did it feel? Let me know. Make sure I'm not the only one that's kind of having difficulties with it. But the smell is gorgeous. So this is Ren, which is a fantastic brand. Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I've got quite a few sleeping masks at the moment. Massage in to cleanse the skin every night and wake up to a more radiant, plumper skin. For best result, use after Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic for all skin, and it's cruelty free. So there we go. Unusual colour, isn't it? Kind of mustardy. So I'll give that a wee bash, but once I've used up my other sleep masks, because I'm doing the product inventory and I am kind of really trying to get the products out that have been kicking around, I've been using the sleep mask a couple of times a week, but I've just recently bought the Aldi sleep mask that is a dupe for a higher end brand, so I'll use it a few nights and then I'll let you know what I think about it. But it's only something like $4.99. They don't do it on the website as well. They do the mask on the website, but they don't do the other, you know, the Glow recipe dupes. So you're dependent on it being in store, because I thought I could pick some up, because my friend actually picked the ones up that I've got for me from her store, and I thought, well, they'll come into my store. And every time I go in, there's nothing there. So I'm hoping that they do eventually pop them onto the website, and that they don't just do it as a one-off, that they bring them back, because they've been so popular. Because I'm kind of getting itchy fingers. I'm getting tempted to go onto eBay, you know, because I'm like, I really love the avocado retinol night mask that's for your eyes. So this is what we've got here. So it's an Autograph Mirror Shine Clear Lip Gloss. Now, clear lip glosses are fantastic if you've got a matte lipstick, and if you're anything like me, matte lipsticks do stay on, but I just don't like the feeling. So if I put a matte lipstick on, I would usually kind of try and pop a clear gloss over it. So it's good for that, or just if you want to kind of just add a little bit of a shine. But some glosses are nice, some glosses are horrible. You know, the ones that stick to your lips and your hair gets caught on. Yeah, that's not for me. Emma Hardy, fantastic brand here. Protect and Prime SPF 30. So it's lightweight, hydrating and protecting. So this is a daily moisturiser that has an SPF 30 in it. What I usually do is I'll use a moisturiser and then add an SPF on. So I would use this, and then I probably would still put an SPF on top of that, because I sat out yesterday in the sun with a factor 30 on my arms, and after half an hour my arms were burnt. So my Factor 30 is still relatively new, so it wasn't that it was out of date, but yeah, it kind of really worried me because I thought, well, I've ladled on the Factor 30 on my arms, so I am going to be really cautious because I think I keep bleating on about this, but the best thing for your skin, if you don't have any wrinkles at the moment, SPF. Sun is one of the biggest contributors to wrinkles. Under the age of 80, your skin only wrinkles because of genetics and outside factors such as sun and I think pollution might kind of go into that, and lifestyle. So if you were a smoker or whatever, you would get the smoker's lines and things eventually. So even though I've got my wrinkles, I think stress adds to your wrinkles and having children. But so now I just think it's really important, even here, to wear an SPF. Even if it's cloudy, you can still get burnt. So that is what I am doing religiously with the SPF every morning. So I'm always delighted to see it, because now the Elemis never used to have an SPF in it, but I got one recently in a box and it has an SPF factor 30 in it, which is good. But yeah, you can layer them up, and the SPF always goes on after your moisturiser. So, what is this? It's Discover. It's a fragrance duo roll-on, and it's pink pepper and spice bergamot. And that's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. I've seen the little roll-ons, but I've never seen the kind of double-ended one. So I'm going to pop the bergamot, spiced bergamot. So it's just a little kind of metal roller. I'm going to pop it on my wrist, my pulse points. See, when you put perfume on your pulse points, you probably already know this, but don't. When I was growing up, you always smushed it together, but that kills the fragrance, so just leave it be. So I usually do my wrists and behind my ears, and sometimes a little bit on my neck. If I'm spraying it, that's what I would do. This is very subtle, but it's nice, yeah. Really different, actually. I would buy that if it was in, you know, depending on the price, I would actually pick that up. Yeah, I'm rubbish at describing things. I can probably smell the rose jam that I popped on earlier from Lush. But the rose jam perfume, it's beautiful, but it can be overpowering. Wait there, sniff, sniff. Yeah, what a numpty. Right, so I'm going to pop the pink pepper here. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is lovely. Really pretty. That is really nice. So I'm going to pop the... What kind of sniff that's not got anything on it? Right. Yeah, the pink pepper's got a sweet undertone, which I love. And the bergamot and spice has got a deeper, kind of darker undertone to it. But I would wear both of those. So these will definitely... made in Turkey. I love Turkey. Never used to think I'd like it, but I do. So yeah, if I was going out, I would put this in my handbag, but I probably will look into how much these cost once I sniff sniff, once I've finished up my own perfume. Or even if they had any fragrances, you know, home fragrances and things in these smells, because they're absolutely gorgeous. So last but not least, this was something that I was really looking forward to, because look at the colour. It's Nails Ink, and it's looking super juicy. There we go. So I think it said something about watermelon, but that says looking super juicy. So it's not got the silver lid, has it? It's white. The packaging and the packaging's slightly changed. I'm going to pop some on my nails. I know I am doing trying to use up polish, because all my polishes are similar, but I don't have one quite in this shade. But I'm putting my Nails Ink to one side anyway. Oh, this is gorgeous for the summer. I'm going to show you in a minute. Oh, wow. Oh, this is stunning. You just really have to excuse the state that I've just painted it on. Colour. Honestly, I don't know if you can see it properly. You probably can't. But it's absolutely stunning. That is going to be one of my favourite shades of the colour. Shades of the colour? Shades of the summer. I actually got a few lovely kind of corally ones from Joe Smith, and one of those was a shimmery one, and I think that would be absolutely gorgeous popped over that. Oh, now I'm going to really struggle to stick to the polishes that I want to stick to now. So yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. Right, like I'm prattling on, 15 minutes, you get this gorgeous bag to keep it all in, which, because I'm trying to use up all my product inventory, I will keep all these products in there until I get 3 items and then bring them into my stash. If you want to see the items that I have got recently that aren't in my product inventory, then let me know and I can do a big video on that for you. So for £20, right, £20, you get the Origins Ginseng, and if you've ever tried that, it's absolutely gorgeous. You get the Nails Ink. That was £8 on its own, but it's a massive bottle, it lasts for ages. You get the Emma Hardy moisturiser. My wee pal Lynn loves that stuff. If you haven't checked her channel out, it's Lynn All Things Beauty. She's another fantastic YouTuber. She doesn't do social media though, so sometimes I always like to try and give her a shout out. She does YouTube, but she doesn't do like Facebook or anything, so it's sometimes hard to attract new people when you don't, although yeah, I don't do it on my mainstream, put my videos on my mainstream social media, just because I'm still at that stage where I don't want everybody to know. One day I'll get over it. The L'Occitane Almond, the Ren Overnight Glow. I would love to wake up with a glow. I'd love to wake up not shattered. The Nuxe oil with the shimmer, gorgeous in the summer. The Colour Wow, Raise the Roots. The Glow Morning Mask. I love the colour and the packaging of this. The lip lacquer. The duo fragrances, which are gorgeous. The Aveda Botanical Repair. And the bag. So yeah, that was £20 if you spend £30 in Marks and Spencer's. Now I needed to buy some tubs, some new containers, so I was really delighted to go on. I could spend £30 in Marks and Spencer's really easily, but I've not done it for a while, so I was really happy to go on and get the tubs that I needed to order and to get this for 20 quid. So you let me know if you've got it, if you're thinking of getting it. It was in stock while I checked, because I was swithering. If it wasn't in stock, I wouldn't have put the video up, but it was in stock when I recorded this, and I'm going to pop this up tonight. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye.